Oh, hello. So welcome to Crystal's Ratchet Salon with my beautiful opponent here.
Me. I'm on the other channel. I'm on this channel, right?
Yes.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, so yeah. We're going to make her look beautiful since I look
The point of this Ratchet Salon is that she makes herself look ratchet and I look beautiful.
Made me feel so weird. Okay. Look.
You want me to rub it in for you?
Just.
Okay. Let me get the other eye then. And then you do the makeup.
Okay. So we be friends.
Okay. So I'll blend it in.
Okay. Okay, so let's see the makeup. Okay. So we're going to be using Buck. Buck and
Are you gonna put on the eyelid? The bug color?
yeah. And
Oh,
then this
so then
is
use
for
this one.
I
Are you
told
gonna put it in the crease?
This is for the crease.
Okay.
Help me feel so weird. I'm like, what? It really shows up on me.
I hate how this camera doesn't even focus.
It does.
It does, but it doesn't show up the color since I'm so dark. Okay.
Okay, there we go.
Okay. So does that makeup look so far good?
Yeah, I like it.
Ratchet girl. As you could tell, this is not a part of her hair. It's just the clipping.
It's part of my hair.
Okay.
It's like a scarf for me. Now we're going to go on with the crease with the...
Color? What's the color?
Oh, I forgot. Instead of the buck, we're using the half-baked, which is like a golden shimmery color. Okay, so now. Okay, so
I think this is the opposite of the Ratchet Salon. You're making me look ratchet and you look...
I look fine.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so what is this?
Don't use that. It already has color on that.
Okay, so now we use... We're done with the naked palette. Now we do... This is blush. Never mind. This is for blush. Okay.
Also pressed powder.
Or pressed powder. And pressed powder. We're using the Forever Nude by BH Cosmetics. And pink right there for the blush. So.
Tap on it more.
More?
It's not gonna come up. You can use that for the highlight too, so you can use this brush too.
Highlight?
Yes, so you put the highlight up here.
Oh, well, I'm not gonna know that. Okay, there's no point of the blush, it's not showing up. Sorry. You know what? You look a little blush. Okay, let's not use that. Now let's contour. I know, I'm figuring out what to do. This one. Just like this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now we highlight.
You're supposed to put the highlight first before you contour.
Oh, it's okay. Now we use this color, which is a white. I think that's
It's like
the
a
whitest
beige color.
Yeah, but I think just the whitest color here. Let's see what you want. Whoops.
You're supposed to put it right here. I know we're going that way.
Because you were like, so I'm like, what? It's actually showing up a little bit. So now we're done with the Forever Nude. Hold on, just show it. Okay, now we're gonna use the Benny tint to make it look a little bit more colorful. Because your blush is not showing up. There we go. Now
You can't even tell a difference.
You
That's how dark I am.
You can see a little bit more. I mean, well, not in the camera. But, okay, now we use a little bit of They're Real.
You are gonna poke me in the eye.
I don't think I want to do eyeliner. I mean, last time I did eyeliner.
Okay, you have a choice, either mascara or eyeliner.
I have mascara.
Rather prefer eyeliner because you might poke me.
I'm gonna make it look so weird.
Doesn't matter, just do it.
Okay.
Or you're gonna better yourself while doing my mascara. She still hasn't learned how to do mascara.
Oh, sorry, my legs hurt.
Oh, and by the way,
Oh,
she
sorry.
is using the Carbon Black Linear Intense.
Oh, God, I don't like my eyeliner.
Just steady your hand. That's it.
That is so helpful.
That is.
Steady my hand.
Yeah, like try to. Here, look. This is how you're supposed to do it. So like one hand goes there. So it's like.
Okay.
Okay.
One hand goes. It's okay. Look at me.
Okay, the way you're doing it.
Oh yeah, I forgot like that and that. Okay.
You got this.
Look at that.
Wow, that looks good for the first time.
Ah.
Everybody, round of applause.
Yay.
Round of applause. Okay. Yeah. She did. It's not that good. I mean, it's not the same. It's
thing.
not close to the actual eyelashes, but it's good from what she's done before.
Okay, yeah, I forgot, and it's not like okay. Now, I'm gonna be using the Revlon 010
10, not 010. 10.
Raspberry Pi. Okay, and this is what I'm wearing right now. My lips, if you were wondering, they are the same color. So yeah, okay. Put that a little down. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
You did pretty good.
Okay, so there we go. That was my beautiful look on her. She looks fabulous.
I look always fabulous.
She doesn't look as sexy as me, but it's okay.
I can never look as fabulous as her. Ever.
No.
That does not exist in this house.
Gosh. Okay. So, yeah, thank you guys for watching the Crystal's Ratchet Salon video.
Her weave is fake.
No, don't pull up. No.
The weave is fake.
No. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Hold on. Okay.
She gotta put back her weave.
No, it's still fine. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and bye.
Bye.